Now dear students, till now we have drawn our schematic using multiple sheets and have connected these sheet symbols with one another using their hierarchical pin labels as we have seen in our previous videos. And now it's time to move further like we have just done in our previous sections while studying the schematic, drawing the schematic in the schematic editor. We perform a thing that is called electrical rule checker. So similarly, while designing the schematic using multiple sheets, we also perform the electrical rule check over here. So let's just perform electrical rule check over here and let's run ERC. Now it has indicated us 33 errors and one warning, and let's just solve these errors and warning one by one. The first, it says label not connected to anything. Just click over here and see it says that these labels are not connected to anywhere. As I have just used these labels for our understanding purpose, and let me just delete this, and let's just delete this one also. Let's just also delete this label as well as this local label, and let's say if our error reduces, let's run ERC, and yes, our these three errors have been now removed. The next thing is it says input power pin not driven by output power pin. Let's check where this error is. I think it's in the MCU side, and it has indicated us over here in the ground side as this error we have this type of error we have also encountered in our previous videos where we remove this error by using power flag. So let's just click over here, double click it, let's just rotate it and place it over in this net, and let's again run ERC, and you can see now that this error has been now removed. Let's just I just accidentally pressed escape, perform ERC, run ERC, and the next thing it's a warning. We will deal with warning at end. Let's just uncheck it, and it says pin not connected. Which pin is not connected? Over here these are list of all the pins we need to place are not connected symbol over here, and then most of the errors is removed. So let's just place over here one by one. Let's place over here. As you can see, these pins are not used currently in our design. I have just drawn a very simple design just to make you understand about how hierarchical sheets work. Let's just place all over the pins that are not connected. Let's just place it over here. Let's just place it over here. Over here I just made a mistake. Let me first of all correct this, that this pin should be connected to 5 volt, and let's just delete this wire and place this no connection flag over here, and we have almost placed the not connected flags on the pins of MCU. So let's just run ERC again, run ERC, and now we are left with only one warning, and let's see which with the one error, and it says over here that input power pin not driven by a similar error. We need to place a power flag over here. Let's just place over here and let's run ERC. Now we have no errors, and let's check which type of warning it is saying us. It says warning label, hierarchical label, MCU 5 volt, MCU 5 volt. It says that the label name is same, only there is uppercase and lowercase difference. So let's just see where these are. It says MCU 5 volt and the other is over here. Let's just change this one to something else, and let's change MCU 5 volt VDC and hit OK, and let's go to root sheet. In order to, as now this is now changed, let's import sheet pins. This is the pins, and let's delete this label and place this label over here. Now this is connected to this one. Let's just save this. Let's check if our warning has been now removed. Run ERC, and now we are left with no errors and no warning. So while designing your schematic in multiple sheets, the electrical rule checker performs in the same way, checking for errors and warnings.